Hey to my YouTube friends. I know I haven't been on in a while. This is the first model I've actually posted here this year. It's been over a month since I posted a model. My girlfriend and I just bought a new house, so this is my first model on my new workbench. Workbench is a little messy right now, but this is what we're working on. I got this 2016 Camaro SS. I actually got it as a Christmas gift from my parents this past Christmas. Um, so I started working on it a little bit. I'm going to do it the red, just like on the box here. Red with the black interior. The seats going to have the red inserts. The doors are going to have the red and silver inserts. As you can see, they need another coat of red on it before I do the silver. Dashboard, I haven't done anything with it yet. That'll get all detailed up with the silver on it. It's going to look really sharp. The interior engine bay, I'm going to detail it all. It comes with plenty of detail molded in there. So I'm going to use the picture on the box and some pictures I found online to make that look real nice. Take my time and do that real sweet. Here's the picture that came on the box with the red interior there, so hopefully that'll turn out alright. Painted the body in a beautiful Tester's red. This is the mica or mica red. It's got a lot of sparkle shine to it. Doesn't really pick up on the camera. So I'm going to buff this out a little bit and then put a couple coats of clear on it. Got to redo the hood a little bit, because I had some garbage fall onto that, so I'm going to have to take care of that. But that's okay. So, chassis is all rolling here. Let me get a little closer here. The only problem I'm having here, I might have to redo this here, because this newer AMTs here, they go together very, very tight. Everything fits in very tight, which is kind of nice, but a little, not necessarily a blessing, but my front wheels here are a little goof nuts. As you can see, it looks like I broke a ball joint there, and they're all over the place. So I may have to somehow snap these off and figure this out, because that car ain't going nowhere. I've had cars in real life like that. Alright, so that's why I'm on the Camaro. I do have the 82 Earnhardt Wrangler car that you've seen in previous videos. Ran into a little problem. I did the angle of the yellow and blue line wrong. This should be slanted down more to fit the 15 decal, so I may get some clear decal and paint it and then cut to fit in there properly. That was my error. I should have paid way more attention. But the car fits real nice on the chassis, though. That's looking really good. I just gotta mess with that line a bit. So that's where I'm at now. Guys, I hope everything's doing okay. Hope you're all staying warm. It's winter. Hope your new year's working out pretty good for you. And I'll keep you posted here on what's going on with my new car.